Hi, welcome back Nature of Physics and Art. This is part 4 video. Already part 1, part 2, part 3 of the thermal conduction is completed, and part 3 is series combination and part 4 is parallel combination of the thermal resistors. For this, considering two substance, that is first one coefficient of thermal conductivity K1, second one coefficient of thermal conductivity K2, and first one area is A1, second one area is A2, and thermal resistance is R1, and second one thermal resistance is R2, and length is remains same only. Here what is same? Length is same. In series combination, area is same. Okay, and temperature difference is θ1, and this is the temperature difference is θ2. Heat flow from the higher temperature area to lower temperature area. So this is the heat flow is taking. So first one is Q1 and second one is taken as Q2. Okay, because of here these two substance area is different, length is same. That's why heat flow different areas is different. Okay, so for that we know very well rate of heat flow, that is Q by T, okay, which is equal to Q1 by T1 plus Q2 by T2. So this is rate of heat flow. This is the sum of rate of heat flow of the first substance and second substance. We know very well the formula of Q by T, which is equal to θ1 minus θ2 divided by R. Okay, so θ1 minus θ2 divided by R. What is R here? Thermal resistance. So R value is equal L divided by, that is K into A. This is the thermal resistance. Thermal resistance. Okay, see, and continuation here the values are replacing in this equation based on this equation. So the resultant equation Q by T, so that is θ1 minus θ2 divided by, okay, R effective. Is that R effective? See, using this formula replacing in this equation. Okay, and RHS side value is temperature difference is same only, θ1 minus θ2 divided by R1 first one, and θ1 minus θ2 divided by R2 second one. Here temperature difference is common and cancel LHS side and also RHS side, and the resultant equation is here 1 by R effective, which is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. Okay, try to understand. We got this is like a resistors are in parallel combination in electric field, and so that is current electricity simply. Okay, so and here that is thermal resistance. So thermal resistance also similar formula but values are different. So here resistance is equal to L divided by Ka for the thermal resistance, and R is equal to L divided by sigma A for the electrical resistance. Now these values are replacing R effective value, R1 value and R2 value step by step in this equation. So this is taken as equation 1. Okay, so already we know R is equal to L divided by Ka. So here R effective value replacing here, that is R effective, that L divided by, okay, K effective into area is A1 plus A2, okay, which is equal to, so this R1 value is K1 A1 divided by L. So R1 is equal to L divided by K1 A1. K1 A1 is from LHS side to RHS side, that is A by B whole divided by C by D, that is A by B into D by C formula. So plus K2 A2 divided by L. here denominator value is L common and cancel, then K effective we will get, that is equal to K1 A1 plus K2 A2 divided by this A1 plus A2 from LHS side to RHS side. Here we can take the condition also if area also same areas, so that A1 is equal to A2 which is equal to taken as A, then resultant equation K effective which is equal to, so here this A is common and cancel, K1 plus K2 divided by A1 plus A2 is 2. This is the formula. Then we can write the resultant equation also for n thermal conductors are connected in parallel combination. 1 second. Okay, so see here I am writing based on this formula. This is K effective, okay, A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus up to so on AN, which is equal to, this is K1 A1 plus K2 A2, okay, here I am writing plus K3 A3 plus up to so on Kn An, okay. This is n number of thermal resistors, that is coefficient of thermal conductivity K1 K2 K3 up to so on Kn connected in parallel combination. This is the final equation for the parallel combination of the thermal conductors. So this is taking as equation number 2 and this is equation number 3. Thank you.